Everyone, this is me again, Mark, and I am here at the center of the Cebu Business Park, the Park Place, because I'm going to bring you in one of the latest listing or the latest condo that is going for sale on the market right now. And I just want to pinpoint some of the landmarks inside this Park Place. This is the Calex Residences. There is another Calex in Cebu IT Park, and that was the Calex. That is the Calex Center, but this one is the Calex Residences, and this one is the Park, the Park Tower 2, and this one is the Sedona Park. And the condo that we are going to feature on this video is that one, the Park Tower 1, and it's front of the China Bank building. And there are some condos that is available also here inside the Cebu Business Park, just like that, the white one, the back of those greens is the Solanea. There are 5 towers, and beside of that Solanea is the Avalon, which is the third oldest condo here in this Cebu Business Park, and that is the Park Point. And beside below of that Park Point is the Ayala Mall, and that white one is the 10610 Residences. Beside of that 10610 Residences is the Cebu City Sports Club. And the latest condo or the latest development of the Cebu Business Park is that one, the Masters Tower of Cebulan Masters, and it will be in housing the Sofitel. And I think that will be the one of the best and high-end condo inside the Cebu Business Park. And I think it will be opening soon, and it's beside the Seda Hotel, or the former Marriott Hotel. And I want to give you an idea, just for trivia, for those who is watching this video. The condo that we are going to feature now is, as I said, that one is the Park Tower 1. That is the oldest condo here inside the Cebu Business Park. So if you're going to buy this condo, this 2 bedrooms that we are going to feature, I think you're not only buying the condo itself, but you are also buying the part of the history of the Cebu Business Park, because that is the first residential condo of the Cebu Business Park. And I think that's, yeah, actually that's the oldest residential condo of the Cebu Business Park, older than the Avalon. And the next building, residential building of the Cebu Business Park, is that one, the Park Tower 2. And yeah, the Avalon is the third residential condo development here in the Cebu Business Park. And Cebu Business Park is really huge, because this is about more than 50 hectares of land development by the Ayala. And it was consolidated way back before even I was not yet born. And the first building of the Cebu Business Park is the Cebu Holding Center, and it's in front of the Cebu Ayala Center Cebu. So I'm just walking you through this open garden of the Park Place inside the Cebu Business Park. And later on we will go inside on that building, and hopefully you will like it. And as again I said, you're not buying a piece of a condo inside the Park Tower 1, but you are also buying a piece of history inside the Cebu Business Park. And that one is the Lucima, the second project of Arthaland here in Cebu. And the front of that Lucima is office building of the PPIAIA. And yeah, Cebu Ayala Center Cebu is just walking distance coming from here, and this is the view of your area. And that's the historic first residential building of the Cebu Business Park. That's the Sedona Park, and that's the Park Tower 2, and that's the Calex residential building, or Calex residence of the Cebu Business Park. So this is it. I'm going to bring you now on the building, that one. So stay tuned and stay watch on the video, because again, this is history. This is part of the history of Cebu Business Park. You're not only buying a condo, but you're also buying a piece of history of the Cebu Business Park. And we are going inside the building, and I think I catch some virus around because my nose suddenly gets itchy. But it's just only, yeah, that's the building that we're going to check right now. And it's the center. I like the air here because it's really cold. It's already 9, it's almost 10 in the morning, but the air here is cold. And we are going to go to this building, and that's the China Bank Corporate. And this building is really walking distance going to the Ayala Mall. Actually, there is a shortcut over there that we can go. And this is the building. Going to the basement below, and this is the entrance of the building. That's the Park Tower 1. Finally, we are now on the 9th floor of this Park Tower 1. And this is the condo that I'm going to show you. Again, we are not dealing with just a condo, but we are also dealing with a piece of property or the piece of history of the Cebu Business Park. This is one of the first residential condo of the Cebu Business Park. And welcome to this 2-bedroom condo. This is 84.80 square meters, and we are selling this for 89,500,000. That's net. So again, this is the entrance of the condo, and on our right side there is a little room here that I think you can turn into something like the storage room or the utility room, but you can find here the control room because there's the main control of the electricity here. But I think if you have helper on your condo, you can turn this on also into his or her area. And this one, I really like this one because, you know, some of the condos, most of the owners, especially if there is like this one, the old things, they are bringing it up with them. But this one, this is free, comes on the price. So let's go. On this side, we have this kitchen here. Considering this condo is one of the oldest condo here inside the Cebu Business Park, and I think you will say that this kitchen is outdated. You don't have to worry because we are going to renovate this kitchen for you. Supposedly that's not part of the transaction, but we are doing that for free. And this one will be the same design, but it will be refreshed because it will be renovated. And here on this side, we have this. You cannot find any condo like this. Really quality tiles, and you have here for your bath and CR. Again, we are going to give you additional perks with this because we are going to change these fixtures so that you can feel the fixtures of your CR upon turnover will be brand new. And these things right here that you can see, they are all outdated, but it's up to you on if you are going to dispose it or not, because we are going to give this as free. This one, these things here and these things here. And the condo is facing on the west side of the Cebu Business Park, and absolutely you have this beautiful view of the Cebu Business Park. You have those buildings are new. One of the newest buildings here in Cebu Business Park, the Hope Inn Hotel that you'll be able to condo in contract. Those are not condo. Instead, those are commercials and office tower. And you have here also the view of the most recent development of the Cebu Business Park, which is the Park Tower. And that will be the in-housing the Sofitel Hotel that is developed by the Cebulan Masters. In Chinese, because I have client Chinese, they said that if your condo is facing on somewhere like on the business district, or you have the view of something that is very nice or luxury, it means you are welcoming prosperity or money. So just like that, you are facing on one of the luxurious 5-star hotel soon in Cebu Business Park. I think this condo is really nice. And it will give you more luck if you are Chinese. And again, so this is the dining area, the living area, the kitchen of the condo. And I will bring you right now. Wait. Before we proceed to the main bedroom of the condo, I want to give you, because we put something here for your friends. Again, if you are buying a second-hand condo, mostly you have to pay for the renovation. You have to show them all those things. But here, we are giving you another perks aside from the kitchen and the fixtures of the bathroom. We are going to give you this one as additional. We give you two options here. It's either this one or this one. Then we will put on your here the wall. So your wall will become like interior decorated, and that's for free. You don't have to worry for additional payment for that because it's for free. Again, those things that you can see, the dining, the chairs, that will be free, but it's up to you if you're going to cast it out because those things are outdated except the sofa. And here we are inside the master's bedroom. Again, these things here, the bed, I think if I'm going to buy this one at the bed, I'm not going to put it out because I like the bed. And since this condo is a corner unit facing on the west side, again, you have this beautiful view of your master's bedroom. And the view is the same with the living area here. And there are doves. Usually, you don't have to, because doves is always leaving their waste everywhere. And then since this is a corner unit, you have another video or you have another view of this bedroom here. And the view is the Solonea, one of the newest building here in Cebu Business Park. And the 1016 residential condo and the condo of Lucima. While I am mentioning those condos, because if you are going to I know that you are going to compare all the prices of the condos inside the Cebu Business Park. Try to go in Solonea. You can find there. I don't want to but condos there are already expensive. Considering the price now is getting higher also. So this one is 9.5 million, 84 square meters with parking. I think that's already a good deal because you are not only buying a condo to bedroom condo inside the Cebu Business Park, you are also buying a history of the first residential condo here inside the Cebu Business Park. And right now, I'm going to bring you to the master's bedroom, toilet, and bathroom. And total, we have the 2 toilet and bathroom of this condo unit. Again, we are going to fix this one. We are going to replace this one so that it will become fresher when the unit is turned over to you. So again, that's additional perks. You don't have to pay for that. Compare it if you are buying to the second project. So for the paint, because the paint is, I think the paint is still fresh. I don't want to give you basta for the paint, maybe you will be the one to make the paint refresh, or we'll just try to negotiate for the paint. But for the floor is nice, and you can find any condo with this nice floor, but we have different taste. Maybe you don't like the floor, maybe you can change it in your own expense. So this is the first common toilet and bathroom, and I will bring you now to the second bedroom of this condo. You know, way back then, I think this condo has been, because all I know, based on my knowledge, the first building of the residential building of the Cebu Business Park was the Cebu Holdings Center, and it was built before I was born. I think that was 1990s. So that's the first building of the Cebu Business Park. And if you are looking back, developers or the builders way back then, they are using quality structure, quality construction materials in building not only condo but buildings like hotels. They are using that, so that if you are look the track, Cebu or Philippines has been suffered many earthquakes, but this one still sound and livable. So there is no history of flooding or any closure because of the typhoon or the earthquake that suffered or devastated Cebu. So I guarantee to you, even this building is old, you are in a safe building. So again, this is the second bedroom of the condo, and you have here the sliding for your closet. And I think if you don't like this one, maybe you can renovate that in your own expense. So this is the condo, the in Park Place Tower 1, and hopefully you will like this one, and because this is really fresh for sale, and we really want to push on selling this condo so that maybe the next rightful owner will be you. And so contact us, as my contact numbers on WhatsApp is 093573858814 or +63 935738578. I forgot. My WhatsApp is +63 93573858814, and my Viber and Telegram is +905 or +63 905 2828738. And my anyway, I will put on the contact details that I have on the description of this video. So hopefully you will like this one, because again, I'm always stressing you, you are buying a history inside the Cebu Business Park. And it's really rare. You can buy lots of condo available actually in Cebu Business Park, but you cannot buy the first, like within the first building of the Cebu Business Park. So this condo is, even though this is an old development, we have lots of amenities inside the condo, specifically or especially the swimming pool. So later on, I will bring you there, and after that, maybe I can drive you around inside the Cebu Business Park if you're not familiar with the Cebu Business Park. If you are a foreigner and you are not familiar here, I will drive you around so that you can see how nice is the Cebu Business Park. Cebu Business Park is just the same in Cebu IT Park. It's like one of the business centers of Cebu. And yeah, let's go to the amenities. Thank you for watching. If you feel boring on the 9th floor in your unit, you can go down here, because this is the amenity area of this building, and you have this very small space of the greens over here, and you have the kids swimming pool and the adult swimming pool right here. Yeah. This is the kids pool, and that's the adult swimming pool. And this is exclusive because this is inside the building. No opening outside. And if you have meetings, like you want a private room, and then maybe you can use this one. And this is a private room for your meetings or something. Now you just approach the property management, because there is a property management here. Just approach them so that you can use this area. And I will bring you to the lobby of this unit. Come with me. And that's the name of your residential, the Park Tower 1. Because there is another Park Tower 2 on the other side. And this is the residential. We are on the ground floor na, no? Yeah, this is the ground floor. But there are units. And this is the elevator. You have here the elevator, 2 sets of elevator, and you have like, like this one, ito sikat na ba? Kapinto ba? Ito sikat hindi ka ito na ay si Imelda Marcos. Si Imelda Marcos ba na pinto? Sikat ka. And this is the hallway and the living room. Hi, Chief. Sir. And
Video lang isa.
Ito? Your lobby concern. And another receiving outside. And just go outside, then walk a little, and then Ayala Mall is on the other side of the building. That's already the Ayala Mall. And yeah, this is the open area of the Park 1, Park 2. And that's the highest residences in the park. And your parking will be here. That's it. So So this has been me again, Mark. Thank you so much for watching our nice video of this part 1 tower of the oldest tower of the Cebu Business Park, oldest residential tower of Cebu Business Park. And please contact me and let's close this deal. And yeah, share the video, comments, whatever comments that you have there. And thank you. Subscribe. Bye bye. And this is the outside of the Cebu Business Park. I will just tour you around, and I will go to the Ayala Mall. And this is the Cebu Business Park. Sa kanya pa rin babalik, sigaw ng damdamin. Sa kanya pa rin sasaya, bulong ng puso ko. Buhay pa ang alaala ng ating nakaraan. Ang pagmamahal at panahon alay pa rin sa kanya. And that's the Masters Tower of the Cebulan Masters. Sofitel will be in housing in that building, and beside of that tower is the hotel. Formerly that's Marriott Hotel, and that one is the Park Point, and in front of the Park Point is the Avalon and the Solanea, and beside of the Park Point is the Alcoves condominium, and this one is the Globe Note. Yeah, and we will go to the Cebu Business Park Ayala Center Mall. Let's go to the Ayala Mall. BPI building, and that was this is the first building of the Cebu Business Park, the Cebu Holding Center. And that was the building that we checked, the one yellow at the back of the China Bank building. That's the Park Point. Below of the Park Point is Ayala Center Mall. And let's go to the parking lot of the Ayala Mall. That's the entrance of the Ayala Mall. We will go to the basement parking. So that's it. This has been me again, Mark. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for the support. Thank you for the subscribing, and thank you for the commenting, liking of this video. And you may check on my other video too. Bye bye.